What if I told you the penny in your pocket, or sitting in a jar at home, could be worth more than a luxury car or even a mansion? Today, I'm going to show you 6 Lincoln cents that have sold for hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars. And stick around for coin number 4, because it looks completely normal. The one tiny mistake turned it into a treasure collectors can't believe exists. Most people ignore pennies. They think they're worthless. That's exactly why some of these coins slipped through circulation, unnoticed for decades, until they turned into silent jackpots. Stay with me to the end, because I'll reveal a bonus penny that could skyrocket in value very soon. And I'll tell you exactly how to spot it. Lincoln cent history. Let's take a step back. The Lincoln cent was first introduced in 1909, honoring Abraham Lincoln's 100th birthday. Before that, pennies had Lady Liberty on the front. Lincoln was the first president to appear on a circulating U.S. coin. Victor David Brenner, a sculptor from Lithuania, designed it. His initials, VDB, were engraved on the reverse of the 1909 penny. But controversy arose because people thought they were too prominent. The mint quickly removed the initials after a few months, making the original 1909 SVDB pennies extremely rare. Over the next century, billions of pennies were minted, but among them, a handful had mistakes, rare dies, or low production numbers. And those are the coins collectors chase today. Coin collecting is not just a hobby, it's a combination of history, luck, and the thrill of discovery. Coin number 1909 SVDB wheat penny. The first coin on our list is a legend. The 1909 SVDB Lincoln wheat penny. Only 484,000 were made at the San Francisco Mint. That's a tiny fraction of pennies produced that year. The initials VDB belonged to Victor David Brenner. When the public complained, the mint stopped production. The collectors loved the coin. Why? Because rarity equals value. Auction stories. 1909 SVDB penny sold for $1.7 million in 2010. Another in perfect condition fetched it over $2 million in 2015. Tips for spotting this coin at home. Look for clear VDB on the reverse bottom. Check for wear. Circulated coins are much less valuable. Grading is key. MS65 and above is extremely rare. Imagine holding $2 million in your hand, and it's just a penny. Coin number 219 for 3 copper penny. During World War II, copper was needed for ammunition, so the mint used steel for pennies in 1943. That a few copper blanks accidentally remained in circulation. These 1943 copper pennies are one of the most valuable minting mistakes ever. Fewer than 20 known examples exist. One sold for $1.7 million, a high-profile auction. Stories of discovery. A man in Michigan found a 1943 copper penny in his change. A woman in California bought a box of coins from a flea market, discovered another. How to spot a copper 1943 penny. Steel pennies are silver gray. Copper pennies are brown, red. Weight is slightly different. Steel is lighter. Extreme caution. Fakes exist, so always verify with an expert. This penny is a perfect example of how history can create unimaginable value. Coin number 31955 double die penny. The 1955 double die penny is instantly recognizable. If you look at the date and lettering, you'll see a dramatic doubling. Liberty and In God We Trust appear twice. This was a minting error caused by misaligned die during production. Auction examples. One sold for $100,000. High-grade examples exceed $1 million. Collector tip. The doubling is visible to the naked eye. No microscope needed. Condition is everything. Uncirculated coins are worth the most. Fakes exist, so check for sharpness of the doubling lines. This coin often appears in movies and TV shows as the rare penny. Its value comes from both rarity and eye-catching uniqueness. Quick question. How many pennies have you handled in your life? Thousands? Millions? Imagine if just one of them was worth more than your car. Comment below with penny if you're still watching. Don't skip ahead, because coin number 4 will blow your mind. Coin number for 2009 Bicentennial era pennies. In 2009, the U.S. Mint celebrated Lincoln's 200th birthday. 4 designs were released. Birth, formative years, professional life, presidency. Millions were minted. Most people assumed they were common, but error versions exist. Double strikes, off-center designs, missing details. Value: $50,000, $500,000, depending on rarity. Stories. A Florida collector found an off-center bicentennial penny in his pocket change. Auction house sold a double-strike version for $120,000. Tip: check the edges carefully. Small differences make huge value differences. Coin number 51922 No D penny. In 1922, pennies were struck only at the Denver Mint, so they should all have a D mint mark. But worn dies cause some coins to leave the mint without the D. These 1922 No D pennies are highly sought after. Auction highlights. One in top condition sold for over $500,000. Collector tip: look at the bottom right of the coin. Missing mint mark is extremely rare. Condition grading. MS60 Plus fetches the highest prices. The moral: sometimes tiny details determine millions. Coin number 61969 double die penny. The 1969 double die penny is famous and infamous. Extreme doubling on date and lettering. Highly desirable. Counterfeiters flooded the market, prompting U.S. authorities, including the FBI, to step in. Authentic examples are incredibly rare. One sold for $1.5 million. Collector tip: look for sharp, precise doubling lines. Avoid coins that look too smooth. They may be altered. This coin proves one thing: mistakes can be priceless. Bonus penny plus preservation tips. Bonus: any Lincoln wheat penny in perfect and circulated condition can be worth tens of thousands. Preservation tips: store in a cool, dry place. Avoid touching surfaces with bare hands. Use coin holders or capsules. Sometimes, the real treasure is how well you maintain it, not just rarity. Before you leave, check your old coins. One could be hiding in plain sight. If you want a step-by-step guide on spotting real versus fake rare pennies, hit like and subscribe. In the next video, I will reveal a Lincoln penny discovered outside the US that shocked collectors worldwide. Don't miss it. Turn on notifications now.